Breeze Max AC reviews. Does it really work, or is it a scam? The Breeze Max AC is being heavily marketed as a revolutionary portable air conditioning unit that delivers powerful cooling, energy efficiency, and quiet operation, all in a compact, plug-and-play design. With eye-catching ads claiming it can cool down your entire room in minutes, many consumers are drawn in by the promise of beating the summer heat without the high cost of traditional air conditioning systems. But beneath the surface, Breeze Max AC appears to be a classic example of overhyped marketing paired with underwhelming performance. The first major issue lies in its fundamental design. Despite being called an AC, Breeze Max is not a true air conditioner. It is, in fact, an evaporative air cooler, also known as a swamp cooler, which works by drawing in warm air, passing it through a water-soaked filter, and blowing out slightly cooler air. This method can provide limited cooling effects in small, dry environments, but it does not lower the temperature of an entire room, nor does it work effectively in humid climates. The misleading use of the term AC leads many buyers to expect results that the product simply isn't engineered to deliver. Beyond performance, the quality of the product itself raises more concerns. Many users report that the build quality feels cheap and flimsy, with weak fans, noisy motors, and a water tank that needs to be refilled every couple of hours. The internal components resemble those of low-cost gadgets found on generic wholesale marketplaces, often sold for under $20. Yet Breeze Max is typically marketed at a markup of 3-5x that price, sometimes even more. What's more troubling is the rebranding and dropshipping tactics used by the sellers. Breeze Max is often sold under different names like Breeze Max, Blow Portable AC, or Chillwell, using nearly identical devices with only cosmetic branding changes. These rebranded units are aggressively advertised through social media, clickbait articles, and fake tech blogs designed to appear like real reviews, but are actually affiliate-driven promotions offering no honest critique. Many customers also report long shipping delays, lack of customer support, and trouble getting refunds after realizing the device didn't live up to the hype. In addition, there is zero scientific or technical validation for the claims made in marketing materials. Breeze Max ads frequently state that it uses advanced cooling technology or that it has been engineered by experts. But there is no transparency about who these experts are or how this device differs from standard low-end evaporative coolers. No certifications, lab testing, or third-party performance reviews are cited. A clear red flag in an industry where claims of safety and effectiveness should be independently verifiable. Add to that fake endorsements and misleading comparisons to real HVAC systems, and it becomes clear that Breeze Max AC is more about manipulating consumer expectations than delivering genuine performance. For someone hoping to cool a bedroom, living room, or office space during a heat wave, this product is likely to cause more frustration than relief. In summary, while the Breeze Max AC may provide minor localized cooling if used correctly and with limited expectations, it is nowhere near the powerful, room-cooling air conditioner it's made out to be. With inflated pricing, deceptive advertising, lack of scientific support, and poor customer feedback, the product falls squarely into the category of overmarketed and under-delivering gadgets. If you're looking for real heat relief, it's far better to invest in a genuine portable AC unit, a window air conditioner, or even a well-reviewed tower fan with cooling capabilities. Don't fall for the promise of cheap, fast, portable AC when the product is little more than a fancy desk fan with a water tank. Your money and your comfort deserve better.